Okay, here's a quick video on how to change language in Windows 11 operating system. So just right click on taskbar settings. So in taskbar settings, when you click, go to time and language. Here select language and region. And basically here you can select your preferred language. As you can see, I have free language pack installed. So if you want to add a new language, simply click on this button and add language and select language what you would like to add and set as default in your system. So for example, select this one, click on next, and it will start installing. I will skip that section in order to not waste your time. And after that, it will ask you to restart your computer. Okay guys, hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe to our channel.